Hearing "future is here" has somewhat become an overkill, but looks like the future is here when you see what Figure has achieved with OpenAI. Yes, people, your everyday life. Humanoids have arrived. Imagine an embodiment of ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT is a walking, talking, working robot. Somebody who can not only hold a conversation, but do simple tasks now too. Before I go any further, welcome back to the AI Trail fam. And a big hello to any new faces joining us today. At AI Trail, we bring you the latest breakthroughs, mind-blowing tech, and insightful analysis, making the complex world of AI accessible and engaging. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all things AI. So, yes, a groundbreaking collaboration between Figure AI, the cutting-edge robotics company, and OpenAI, the leader in artificial intelligence, has led to some unbelievable stuff straight out of a sci-fi novel, it seems. Combining their unparalleled expertise in robotics and neural networks has led to an awe-inspiring fusion of metal and AI. This is no ordinary event, my friend. Prepare to be amazed. Just have a look at this clip where you see Corey Lynch, who works at Figure, having a conversation with the Figure 01 while it does some simple chores. It feels like they are hanging out in the kitchen and talking over a cup of tea.
Hey Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great, so based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great, can you put them there?
Of course.
Wasn't that a little unsettling? In this clip, you saw how Figure 1 is standing near some dishes, a dish rack, and a red apple. Corey asks it what he sees and if he can have something to eat. Figure 1, with all its smoothness, not only mentions whatever he sees in front of it, but also picks the red apple for Corey to eat, while also doing simple tasks of keeping the dishes in the rack, sorting the trash, and being able to reason quickly. It is truly fascinating to witness Figure 1's actual human-like, very deliberate posture, pauses in his speech, and smooth changes of position. So what's happening here is pretty cool. Imagine this. Robots are getting a major upgrade, or the chat is getting a face. Figure 1, a robot with some serious physical skills, just joined forces with OpenAI, the brains behind some impressive language and visual processing tech. This is like combining a martial sculptor with a master linguist. Basically, Figure 1 can now not only move with incredible dexterity, but also hold full conversations. OpenAI's smarts give it the ability to understand what people are saying and respond in a natural way. So one has to wonder, haven't we seen this before already? Or have we? Remember last year when Google's AI, Gemini, made a splash recognizing objects? It could identify anything from a rubber ducky to hand-drawn pictures. Though it turned out some clever editing might have made it look a bit more impressive than it actually was. But how is this any different, and what makes Figure 1 identify the edible on the table so flawlessly? So, what's the secret sauce behind Figure 1 having such smooth chats with us humans? It all boils down to a fancy new tech called a visual language model, or VLM for short. Think of it as the brainpower behind the whole operation. This VLM is a joint effort between OpenAI, the folks known for their impressive AI work, and Figure, the company that created this cool robot. It's basically like giving Figure 1 a major upgrade, turning it from a clunky machine into this futuristic marvel that can hold conversations. A bit too real, if you ask me. Figure 1 isn't just about grabbing things, it's a multitasking master. Ask it to clean up some trash, and guess what? It can explain why it gave you that apple at the same time. While sorting the junk, seriously, this robot knows it's trash, and tossing it in the bin, it can also hold a conversation. Figure 1 saw the apple as the only edible option and offered it. That's some next-level thinking for a robot, right? When Corey turns to Figure 1, eager to hear how he thinks he did. With a touch of human-like conversation, the robot responds, "Well, I think I did a pretty impressive job. The apple has found its rightful owner, the trash has vanished, and the tableware is precisely where it belongs. Some people have pointed out it exactly sounds like ChatGPT's voice, and hence this is like giving it a body to live in. So what is this remarkable technology behind Figure 1? According to none other than Brett Adcock, the visionary founder of Figure, this extraordinary robot is equipped with onboard cameras that provide vital visual data to its virtual learning module, VLM. This cutting-edge integration allows Figure 1 to truly comprehend the scene before it, enabling seamless interaction with humans. Imagine Figure 1 as a team effort between two powerhouses. OpenAI, the brains behind the operation. They provide the vision through a powerful AI model trained to understand what Figure 1 sees with its cameras. This model can also understand spoken language. Figure, the muscle that puts things into action. Its own neural networks process information at lightning speed, 10 images per second, and translate it into smooth, precise movements. Think of it like this. OpenAI sees and hears. It interprets the visual data from the cameras and understands spoken instructions. Figure acts and reacts. It uses this information to move quickly and precisely. This groundbreaking creation is the brainchild of brilliant minds hailing from the esteemed companies such as Boston Dynamics, Tesla, Google DeepMind, and Archer Aviation. Their collective expertise has led to their mission to create the world's first commercially viable general-purpose humanoid robot. While taking a jab at Elon Musk's Optimus, he also added how Figure 1 operates entirely on its own, without needing remote control. This sets it apart from some other robots, like Optimus, which gained recognition for completing specific tasks while being guided externally or teleoperated. Figure 1 has been evolving at great speed. Just a few months after its initial development, this robot was walking and tackling basic tasks independently. By the end of the year around October, it gained the ability to learn by observing, paving the way for its entry into the workforce by mid-January. We even got a glimpse of Figure 1 in action at a BMW warehouse last month. This came shortly after Figure secured significant funding and announced a collaboration with OpenAI. This partnership aims to develop even more advanced AI models for robots like Figure 1. All this has led us to this, witnessing the seamless integration and embodiment of ChatGPT. Looks like OpenAI has succeeded in giving a robot a whole new level of intelligence. So, what does it mean for the future? Imagine robots helping around the house becoming as common as having a fridge or a microwave. Maybe someday, everyone might have their own robot companion, just like most people have cell phones today. Adcock confirmed in his X post that our goal is to train a world model to operate humanoid robots at the billion-unit level. Looks like, at this rate, we won't have to wait long for we see all these shiny humanoids helping us in our kitchen while we fix the evening dinner. Love to know more about how AI is changing the world? Explore the future with us. Hit that subscribe button for weekly updates on the ever-evolving world of AI. Stay curious, stay questioning. See you in the next one.